Busy ka, kawat eh.
Ay, smile.
Post ka din. Yan.
Good.
Tip naman ng angel. Doon.
Picturean ko dyan.
Sakap mo siguro. Sakap mo lang. Tutulong ko man.
I will come to you in the silence. I will lift you from all your fears. You will hear my voice. I claim as my choice. Be still.
Baka madapla ka dyan sa kawayan niyo.